Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to update the n8n Docker container. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So all you have to do is go to the images section right here on the left, and then from here you're going to search for this one exactly, n8n.io/n8n. Once you search that and you find this one exactly, you're going to right click on the top three bottoms, and then from here you're going to click on pull. Once you click on pull, it's going to update it to the latest version. And then from here, once it's done, you're going to click on the run action. Now from here, optional settings, you can set any optional settings, but if you stick to the default, that works great. Click on run. And once you click on run, it's going to showcase all the running negotiations. So it's going to start the migration for all the files. And then from here, it's going to show you the local host. Editor is now accessible. So once you click on it, now you can access the local host to your folders, and it's going to take a minute just to make it. So from here, you're going to stop it and then you can run it again. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.